Hi, this is Jody from Physiotherapy Tel Aviv. Today I'm going to be showing you a knee taping technique called McConnell's taping. This technique can either be done with some rigid tape or it can be done with a piece of kinesio tape. I'm going to show you today the technique with kinesio tape for two reasons. Firstly, runners generally tend to have a piece of kinesio tape at home. And secondly, if you're going to be running with the tape, this is better tape to use because it sticks for longer. Now the whole point of this technique is to actually reduce pain. So if you do the technique and it helps your knee feel better, then keep the tape on. However, if it doesn't help or it actually makes your knee feel worse, then it's not really worth doing. Okay, so the technique is done as follows. Take your piece of kinesio tape, tear the end. Now, always at the two ends of the kinesio tape, there needs to be no tension on the tape, otherwise it won't stick well. So we peel the tape off, the backing of the tape off, and stick it on the lateral or outside part of the knee. Always rub the tape a little bit because this tends to help it stick better. And make sure that you have no hair on your knee. If you have hair, then shave, and don't put any moisturizer on because the tape doesn't stick. Okay, we then peel the backing of the tape off, just up until really about 1 centimeter from the end. Now, we're going to be pulling the tape from the outside of the knee to the inside, and at the same time, we want to pull gently the kneecap from lateral or outside, medially or inside. So both the tape and the kneecap are being pulled towards the inside. Give it a little bit of a push. Put the tape down, again, rub it so you can make sure it sticks. And the last part of the tape, peel off with no tension. Give the tape a bit of a rub. So that's McConnell taping for the knee. Just one extra thing to keep in mind, you need to make sure that you don't have any allergies to the tape. So always check the area for redness or any itchiness. If you do find that there's redness or itchiness or you've had some bad reaction to the tape, make sure that you take it off. This tape can otherwise be left on for 4 or 5 days and you can actually shower with it on. Thank you.